Hi, welcome to today's What If Q&A, where there are no answers, only actions. So the question for today is, what if we replaced all punctuation with emojis? Pretty straightforward. Now the action in this is to have your students take either a sentence or maybe up to a paragraph where they replace all the punctuation with emojis. Something to keep in mind is the goal isn't to take out every single comma, for example, and replace it with the exact same emoji, but to make each replacement add additional meaning and be specific to the meaning that they believe the text is communicating. Some deeper learning is that it allows young readers, or young writers, I should say, or ESL students, the opportunity to reinforce through writing in a positive and fun way. It also opens doors and communications with students of all levels and backgrounds for the deeper conversations about meaning, about syntax, grammar, a lot of different things related to writing. Beyond writing, it connects to everything from history. What are the histories of emojis? Do we have examples of emojis in our human past? You can also talk about how maybe it relates to things like science and math. Do science and math have equivalents to emojis that we may not have considered before? And aside from that, I think it'd just be a lot of fun to have your students rewrite and reimagine a paragraph or even a simple sentence, replacing all the punctuation with emojis. I hope you enjoy it and love to hear any ideas or comments on how we can make this activity better. Stay curious.